Send
I
Send to me
started.
also, please.
send after the meeting only, Priya, right? You forget
Ha
after
ha,
that.
sure. I started.
Hmm. So guys, today we are going to discuss science and technology questions. Hmm. Read this question.
Consider the following types of vehicles: fully
Hmm.
battery electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, fuel cell electric hybrid vehicles. How many of the above are considered as alternative powertrain vehicles?
Hmm. Guys, you know what? Let me tell you. You guys are from science and technological background, guys. But you know what? Here is something different. What you read in your science and technology.
Thanks.
But you know what? These questions are very tough, guys, in nature. But let me tell you, if you will break the words, so you will land your answer basically. Let me tell you how. See, guys, alternative powertrain vehicles. So, guys, there are different kind of vehicles.
EVs.
There are different kind of vehicles which runs from the diesel, petrol. But question is saying alternative. It means something
Hmm.
renewable energy.
Ha,
Means
electric
electric
vehicles.
vehicle. Now, now the moment when I got this word, it is talking about renewable energy vehicles. So
Diesel.
see, full battery electric vehicle, of course. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, of course. Hydrogen is vehicle renewable energy.
Future
Fuel
electric.
cell electric hybrid vehicle, of course. All three are correct.
No, Manish, tell me
See,
about full battery. See, I was putting the PYQ also. I got stuck here. Full battery electric vehicles are there. What is the
hmm.
difference between this full battery electric vehicles and this hydrogen fuel cell vehicles?
See, Priyal. Full battery, it means that other than hydrogen, other materials can be used. Other elements can be used.
Lithium. Mm.
Yeah. But in hydrogen fuel means hydrogen is the main source here. Although
See,
in
the
electric
scooty
vehicle,
comes now, that EV one.
hmm,
It is a full battery electric vehicle.
Mm. Lithium
hmm,
one.
Ha.
hmm. And see now scientists are also discovering sodium ion battery basically. So it is in the process right now. So guys, here let me tell you, even if you are non-science background, even though if you break the words, this is what I'm telling. Basically, you see alternative powertrain vehicles. Basically, means they are talking about something renewable, which is not conventional. Alternative means what? People say like, I want alternative options. It means which is not conventional. So guys, this is what I'm saying, guys. Whenever you find a difficult word, don't get stuck. Because there is always a chance to get it right. Basically, you have to just use common sense. Next question. Read this question.
With reference to UAV, consider the following statement. All types of unarmed aerial vehicles can do vertical landing. All type of UAV
Hmm.
can do automated hovering. All type of UAV can use battery only as a source of power supply.
Hmm.
Third one.
Guys, you know what, guys? Hey, here thing, guys. Unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV). People, I think, know everyone knows because it is used from the marriage ceremony to the border area. Because nowadays it is used in every sector: social angle, political angle, defense angle. Actually, unmanned air vehicle, guys. So this is what you proceed checking. Okay, now you see unmanned air vehicle. Now answer the question. So guys, this is what you proceed asking. Whatever you see in your surrounding, are you aware of that or not? Actually.
Mhm.
So guys, all types of unmanned aerial vehicle. So guys, even if I will find one exception, so this statement will be wrong, na? All types of unmanned vehicle. Even in the world, if I will find one exception, no, one is doing horizontal landing. Then, so guys, this kind of statement is always wrong, provided that okay, there is a chance. But I think there is no chance, guys, because at least one or two has to be horizontal also, not all the type of vertical, right? Second, all type of unmanned aerial can do automated hovering. No. Because there are some traditional unmanned vehicle, they are not automated. So we can't say they are all
Automated
automated.
hovering meaning?
Automated means they don't need any computer authorizations
Mhm.
and
Mm.
no human involvement,
No.
basically. So yeah, there are some drones like America has developed, China has developed. They run with the help of the robot and machine. They don't need human. But all are not like that. Only some are them actually. So guys, instead of them, if there have been some only, some, so all would have been right. But because of that, none is right.
Mm.
But guys, don't make it always perception. If all is there, so it will be wrong. I'm saying go in the context as well. Because you know what people assume, if all is there, so it has to be wrong. No, no, no. Because UPSC is also smart. So they will make those statement where all is also get right. So don't make outrightly wrong. Use your common sense. It is possible or not, basically. Then basically it can, you can go. See this question.
Perfect. Okay.
Read back, get this question and answer this
In
question.
the context of electric vehicle battery, consider the following elements. How many above usually make up battery
One.
cathodes?
Hmm. Now you guys answer because you guys should know this answer. Tell Bhagya, you tell.
Lithium is
Tell
correct
me.
here.
Guys, tell me what cathode means. Cathode and anode, two
Positive.
are there.
Cathode and anode is a negative and positive point for the like a
So
fuel cell or something.
who gains the electron? Cathode or anode? Who gains the electron?
Cathode to anode.
Cathode.
Who gains the electron?
Hmm. So it it it,
Cathode
it,
gains
it
electron.
basically yeah. ca-
Cathode to anode.
Cathode basically gains the
Mm.
electron, and anode is
Negative
donating the
one.
electron. So guys,
Negative.
graphite, we know from the childhood कि graphite is an anode. I know from childhood actually.
Mm.
I have read in my sixth class general science, social science book. कि cathode is a typical anode, basically. Rest are cathode. So only three is right. And more on guys. If there are four statements, so n minus one approach is followed, and four plus options, so n minus two approach is followed. You remember this thing. I
Wait,
mean,
wait,
if
wait.
you get stuck, so you can follow this approach also. If there are four options and you get stuck, I don't know how many options are correct. So n minus one. If there are more than four options, so n minus two basically. But guys, this use this thing in difficult circumstances, not all the circumstances. Okay? Yes, it has to be all the time, right? Yes. Bhagya, any doubt?
No.
Hmm. So see, guys, see now you should think why these types of questions they are asking in the UPSC, because this is a other subject. They are physics and chemistry. Guys, you know what? They are physics and chemistry, but guys, they are general information. But guys, graphite. I told you guys, I know from sixth class, and let me tell you guys, I'm sure only about graphite only. It is in order. I don't know about other, but I minus one. Maybe you guys know. But I know about graphite and see how my knowledge work here. So guys, this is what I'm saying. Be guys aware of general things. What you know from your childhood. From that only you can click clear the exam. There's no need to go. Yeah, in history, politics, geography, you have to go in detail. But in science, only general information related. Read this question, Priyal.
Consider the following: cigarette butts, eyeglass lenses, tires.
Hmm.
Which are how many of them contain plastic?
Plastic. Tell guys.
Eyeglass lenses is correct, Manish.
Hmm.
Car tires are rubber.
Rubber, so that could be wrong. And cigarette butts are correct. Cigarette butts,
Eyeglass lenses.
no, cigarette
See
butts
guys, you know
cannot.
what?
It will burn now. Then how could be cigarette butts would be containing
See,
plastic?
guys, you know what? When tell me guys, if I say that car tires does not have plastic, मिलते हैं कुछ देर से हाँ हाँ देखिए तो देखिए ये जो कंटेन प्लास्टिक है ना ये क्या है कि
Manish
अब
English.
देखिए
Hindi.
okay okay actually one of my friend has called na that's why okay it's okay guys poor girl why are you
See,
laughing
this
that
means
is
Manish, you are teaching someone else
देखिए
also, right?
देखिए हाँ हाँ
See,
guys
whom you are
guys
देखिए
teaching,
see
देखिए
yeah, tell.
tell me see guys we are living in what North India is a Hindi dominated
No,
states
Manish, this
so
means you are
basically
teaching
one
someone else. You thought we are someone else. That's why you started speaking in Hindi. Right, Bhagya?
Mm,
So what is the problem, guys? I teach sometime some other, but you guys already know, na? Okay, I teach that. Bhagya know that Bhagya's friend. What is called
Puja.
Bhagya? Puja.
Pooja.
Sometime I teach her.
Mm.
But guys, see, listen. See, guys, when you deny, कि no, this head does not have plastic. So, guys, if I will found even 0.1% plastic, so I can challenge, na. So, guys, whenever UPSC is asking these types of questions, na, so always mark all of them right, provided
Tell
that
one thing, Manish.
they are not. Hmm.
How cigarette butts will contain plastic? See, you smoke now. It is a kind of a smoke type of thing.
See, Priyal,
It will
plastic. What
No
you are?
prayer, buts.
See, Priyal, plastic has different types. Microplastic, as well as macroplastic.
macroplastic.
Microplastic is there basically. Not macro. Macro means like see water bottle. That is what macroplastic. But microplastic is there in cigarette as well as eyeglass as well as car tires basically, and they are basically more harmful because they are not visible actually with naked eye. So guys, if you find, see guys, I'm telling you the approach, guys, how to approach a question basically in exam hall. You think like that. Okay, see if I deny even one statement, so they can challenge na, because if I find one given 0.1%, so that has to be right. That's all, guys. Always play safe game in these types of questions.
Mm.
Now read this.
Consider the following substances: ethanol, nitroglycerin,
Urea.
urea. Coal gasification technology can be used in the production of how many of them?
See, guys, I consider this question in the difficult category, especially. Do you know what? Because they have asked a specific technology basically. So here you need to go in detail. Okay, what is coal gasification? Yes, sir. What is it? Coal gasification
Coal
basically.
gasification.
Yes, sir. So guys, I'm sure about these two, ethanol and urea, because they are making urea with the coal gasification method only and ethanol. Coal gasification, you know what, guys? With high temperature under the compressed basically method, they are using the coal gasification method. So ethanol is there, but I was confused about that basically. So here there are two options basically, but the answer is two only. This is not the right answer. But guys, here it is difficult one because even I don't know about second statement. They use or not nitroglycerin. Hmm. So guys, sometimes see this is science tech questions basically. So science tech questions are very unconventional, guys. See, will you read this type of question? No, because there is no syllabus in that. You have to use common sense. Like see, unmanned vehicle, you will read anywhere. No. So this is what I'm saying, guys. You cannot read. Because science and technology is basically current oriented. Yes, you should have some basic understanding like ballistic missile, cruise missile, and all. See, this is completely current affair based question, guys. And yeah, so here if you know, then okay. Otherwise, leave it. By the way, answer is this. They are explosive. Hmm. Now, this question is conceptual. Read this question.
Consider the
It is
following
expected
statement.
that
It is expected that Majorana
Hmm.
one chip will enable quantum computing. Majorana one chip has been introduced by AWS. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning.
See, guys, I'm sure about that. Third is
Third part
right.
is correct.
Yes, because deep learning is a
Hmm.
subset of machine. This is common sense, guys. Artificial intelligence, we have read.
Hmm.
Very obvious thing. So third is right. But yes, one thing, guys, let me tell you.
How would
When you read, when you find this kind of options, never leave that questions. Even you don't know, you try to find out. Because you know what the beauty? At least two is right and at most one is wrong basically. It means if you prove only one is wrong, so you can reach to the answer basically. So guys, I know third is right, so one has gone. One has gone. Now see guys, I don't know about this two, but let's see. Let's talk about one. It is expected that Majorana one chip will enable quantum enable computing. Maybe guys, maybe guys, it is enabling because it is not saying any extreme statement. No, it will have a great impact. It will have a tremendous impact. Question is saying will enable. Enable means what? Facilitate, help. So it can.
hmm.
So I think one in three has to be right. So this is also gone. Now, guys, here is the doubt. Okay, two is right or wrong, and this is completely factual question, guys. Okay, who has developed this? Amazon Web Service or something else? So guys, let me tell you guys. Now here you need to use my one logic. Guys, whenever there are three statement, and you are sure that two is right, means two has become right. Now you are not so sure about one, and if that statement is factual in nature, so make it wrong. Because this is what I have seen my 10 years paper of UPSC, and this is what UPSC follow the rules. But again, guys, not 100%, 90% it works. So you can eliminate it, and this is right as well. Amazon has not developed. I think some other company has developed. I don't know. Remember the name, but I think Amazon is not there basically. So answer is one and three only. So guys, see now, guys, do you think someone will read this much in detail? Majorana chip has developed this Amazon or not? Not possible, guys, because current is so vast. From which newspaper they are asking? Hindustan Time, Indian Express, The Hindu. I don't know. I cannot read all the newspaper, right? But I can use only one thing. That is always with me. Common sense. Read this question. Bhagya, read this question.
Monoclonal
With
antibodies.
reference to monoclonal antibodies, often mentioned in news, consider the following statement. They are man-made proteins. They stimulate immunological function due to their ability to bind to specific antigens. They are used in treating viral infection like that of Nipah virus.
See, guys, this is typical biotechnological question. It means human
Yes,
health.
and that.
Hmm. See, guys, they are man-made protein. See, guys. Now science and technology are advancing, so it is possible that man has developed in the lab basically. It is possible because you see, now we are in 21st century, guys. Now, so science and technology are getting advanced. So if any new thing coming in market, so who has developed? God? No, man has developed. Common sense. They stimulate immunological function due to their ability to bind specific antigens. Stipulate. So why the hell they will develop? Because of that only. They are used in treating viral infections like that of Nipah virus. Maybe because use can be na. They can be used. Because see, I have purchased umbrella in rainy season because there was a rainy season, and when I was going to give the test, so I used to get beds basically. But I can use that in summer season also because there is sunlight. So what's the problem in using? We can use. Yes, all is right. So guys, are you getting like this? We have to think. If something new is coming in the market, so God has not developed. Man has developed because man has become so advanced. Basically, we are living in 21st century. Hmm. See now, guys, let me tell you. Now from here, I am telling you one approach of UPSC. What UPSC has the habit actually. See, UPSC know that if something is in news, so serious aspirants will definitely read that topic. So what UPSC do, they don't ask that question in the same year, but they ask after 1 or 2 years. Coronavirus 2020 and 21, 2 years was there. But they have started, right, asking the question from 2023. They have asked one question from 2023, 24 they have asked two questions, and 25 they have asked this question, virus. Are you getting? So, guys, in UPSC, current affair is always integrated, not isolated, because this is not a banking examination. If you read 6 months current affair, so it is okay. They are integrated basically. So your concept should be clear. Yesterday I told you one questions. In 2025 they have asked about COP28, but this COP28 has happened in 2024. And COP29 has happened 2025. So what they have done, they have not asked this COP29, they have asked COP28. Yesterday I have shown you, right? Hmm. So see, guys, this is what you procedure. I see. So tell me, what is the use of analyzing the PYQ? This is the use. You understand the pattern of UPSC. What UPSC has hybrid basically. Now read this question. Read.
No virus can survive in the ocean water. No virus can infect bacteria. No virus can change the cellular transcriptional activity in the host cell.
See, guys, are you getting? Na?
Transcriptional activity. What do
See,
you mean by
they
cellular?
transcription means transformation, Priyal, from one state to other state in biotechnology. They are called transcriptional activity. So see, now guys, I don't know about this question in detail.
What's it?
Basically, they can infect bacteria or not actually. But guys, you know what? Virus in the world, tell me how many types of virus may be. I don't know. So, so even one virus can survive in ocean. So, so this statement will be wrong, na? We're saying no virus. No means what? No means no. No means not even a single. Extreme statement. No virus can infect bacteria. No. In fact, many virus can infect bacteria. Common sense. And more on this is extreme statement. No virus can change. Why no virus can change? Yaar? Coronavirus has changed people. None is right. See, guys, there there what was the all was there all so none was the answer because this is also extreme and here no so here this is the
Not
answer.
so.
So are you getting, guys, na? See, yes, they, means 90% if they are giving extreme statement they are wrong, but guys don't follow it blindly. Always use your common sense. It is possible or not. Basically this is what I'm saying. Again, are you getting what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Read question 50, poor girl.
Consider the following statements.
Hmm.
Activated carbon is a good and an attractive tool to remove pollutants from effluent streams and to remediate contaminants from the various industries.
Attractive tool to remove the
Hmm.
Activated carbon exhibits a larger surface area and a stronger potential for absorbing
carbon.
heavy metals. Activated carbon can be easily synthesized from environmental waste with high carbon content.
Hmm. See, guys, again, they was from the environment, general environment basically. Tell Priyal, what do you think? Tell first this demand. What this is saying because this is definitely right because there is no
It
Filtration.
option.
said na
Hmm.
activated carbon remove the pollutant. They filter out the pollutant
Hmm.
and they use in
Activated carbon
industries
is
and
a
all.
good and attractive tool to remove pollutants from. See, guys, I told you in 21st century we are in the science and technological age. So they must be developing some technique which can help in the adsorption of the
Industries.
carbons. So it's okay.
Mm,
This has to be right.
mm.
Now, guys, activated carbon exhibit a large surface
Third
area
part is
and a
correct.
strong potential
Mm,
by absorbing heavy metals. That's why they are good, na?
mm.
That's what they're why they are good. If I say okay, you guys are good, so for what I'm saying good? Because you guys are good in study, good in behavior. So activated carbon is good for what? Because they can absorb heavy metals from the environment. That's what is right. Like huge common sense actually. See, now see, activated carbon can be easily synthesized from environmental. It means synthesized means can be easily recycled. That's why they are attractive, na? Otherwise, why they are attractive? Why Virat Kohli is attractive to the people? Because he's a great cricketer. That's why both are right. So sometime guys, use see guys. Let me tell you, even I don't know this answer, but I have just solved like that only. And you can do only. Do you know, guys, when you are very calm and composed, don't get nervous while looking at the paper. Be calm and think that I can do that. That's it. Always keep this in mind. I can do that, and you can do that. Basically, this is what basically. Priya, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, Manish.
Hmm. Read this question, guys, fast.
An ordinance can amend any central act. An ordinance can abridge a fundamental right. An ordinance can come into the effect from a back date.
See, guys, from here,
Back
polity.
date.
See, guys, here polity started basically from here. Now, see, guys, this thing I have told various times that see what ordinance can do means what parliament can do the same thing ordinance also can do. So Supreme Court in Keswan and Bharti case has said that Okay, you cannot take away fundamental right. So if a
Mm.
parliament cannot take away fundamental right, then why the hell
How
ordinance
ordinance?
ordinance will take? Common sense. Two is wrong. Deadly answer is there. See, this is what I'm feeling. UPSC checking the concept. Do you know the concept? Basically, because they cannot take up your fundamental right. Yeah. See, they are those fundamental right. That's why they are called fundamental right. Yeah, it is basic necessity applied. Suppose that if I say you cannot speak, so tell me, how can you lead your life very well if you cannot speak? That's why I right to speak is fundamental right. Hmm. This question, very factual question. Basically, read this question. And
Okay.
and and, and,
I am
and
not.
do you know why? Baji Ram, next IAS, Forum IAS, they have given all the wrong answer in this question. Because you know what? They have given all right actually. But no, all we will not right. Do you know what? Because let me tell you why. I don't know about these two
Manish,
because
we
they're
can
completely
read now
factual.
once. Can we read once?
Yeah, yeah, read.
AP, the capital is named after the port, and the state has two national parks. Netherlands states come into existence in the Patriot Amendment Act. Initially, the first state is typical administrative territory with the names of states in India. Status of welfare state. Okay. Bhagya,
Hmm.
Mm.
read.
Bhagat, tell your answer. What you think? See, guys, you know what? This is
And one second.
completely, this is completely factual question, guys. Completely factual. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh, name of the fort, state capital, national park, then constitutional amendment, then 1956, all factual. But you know what? I know one thing, guys. I know one thing actually, and let me tell you where people have got confused. Actually, this is very. Let me tell you, guys. Even if you ask a teacher, na, they will get confused in this question. I'm telling you one concept here. Now listen. See, guys. This is India. This is India. Now, guys, suppose that there is one state, right? And this state wants to become part of India. So it can become part of India. There is no need of constitutional amendment. I repeat, if any new states want to become part of India, so that state can become part of India. There is no need of constitutional amendment. Yeah, even if you want to change the boundary of a state, for example, Telangana has been
Article. Mm.
Telangana has been separated from the Andhra, so there was no constitutional amendment because Article 3 is there.
Art- mm.
They have said that if you want to create new states or want to change the boundary of the state, you can do without amendment. Okay.
But it is there na, in that if we want to seed any state, we can use this
That is seeded
article, right?
Priyal. This is within the boundary.
Within the boundary of territory
Even
of India.
See, if you are giving your state to other, na, then there's a need of constitutional amendment, PL. I'm saying you are taking a state. So for that, there is no need of amendment. Suppose that you are giving this this Tamil Nadu to Sri Lanka.
Hmm.
So without constitutional amendment, you cannot give basically.
And
Yes.
if you want to take, you do not need
Yeah.
constitutional amendment.
Yeah. So this thing every person knows. But you know what? This question is not about that actually. Second, this question is not about that. Do you know what? Nagaland, Nagaland has been merged into India without constitutional amendment. But at the same time, because Nagaland is tribal area, so India has given it a special status under Article 371A. So they have UPSC has merged here. State came into existence on the basis of constitutional amendment when Nagaland has been merged into India, so there was constitutional amendment, but not because Nagaland has been merged into India, but because Nagaland has been a special status at the same time. So if any state is given a special status, so there is a need of constitutional amendment. But if any states just merging into the Indian Union, so there is a no need of constitutional amendment. So actually, what most of the teacher and students have assumed here, Nagaland there is a 371 article. So they thought that, they are talking about that. But now read this question. The state came into existence. It means that state has been merged into India on the basis of constitutional amendment. Then what is the use of Article 3? No, this is wrong. That's why. This is the major confusion, guys. I'm clarifying. I repeat, if a state is becoming part of India, there is no need of constitutional amendment. But at the same time, if that state has been given special status under the Indian Constitution, then there is a need of constitutional amendment. Hmm. Always remember this thing. So this is wrong, and rest two is right basically. Yeah. So guys, I'll tell you, UPSC is asking the concept here. Hmm. UPSC is
Okay.
asking the concept here basically. Hmm. Now read this question.
With reference to India, consider the following: the Interstate Council, National Security Council, Zonal Council.
Hmm.
How many above were established as per provisions of Constitution of India? Show money, show me.
This is completely factual question, guys.
Okay,
Provision of
National Security
Completely
constitutional
factual.
Council, Zonal
interstate
Council.
convention correct. Provision of
Only one is there
Inter-
answer.
interstate
Interstate,
council
okay.
has
Interstate Council
uh,
263, and the rest two is not there. One completely
Zonal
factual.
Council are political one, right, Manish?
Hmm. And this is also political one.
National
Hmm.
Security. Who
Hmm.
will be there in that?
NS.
Here will be the PM
PM.
head, and here will be Home Minister head.
Hmm.
Hmm. Guys, read last two question more fast. 40, 54.
Constitution of
Consider
India
following. Hmm.
explicitly mention that in certain spheres the governor of the state act his or her own discretion. The President of India
Hmm.
can of his or own reserve a bill passed by a state legislature for his consideration without it being forwarded by the governor of the state concerned.
Guys, this is very
But
easy question. You guys
radical
have read
line in
both
this one,
President and
second one.
Governor. You guys tell the answer.
See, Manish, second one can be radically. It should be passed from the governor. If any of the bill, it has to be passed. Second one is
And
wrong.
first,
First
Constitution
one correct.
explicitly mentioned that in certain spheres
In
the government
certain spheres,
is around. Explicitly mentioned.
guys, tell me,
explicitly,
between Governor
Explicitly
and President, who has more discretionary power?
discretionary.
governor,
Yes.
Why?
governor.
Why?
Governor has one more option to send the bill to president.
Hmm. Good. So, guys, this is right. And guys, one thing always remember, Governor has both situational discretion as well as constitutional discretion. But President
Hmm.
has only situational
Situational
discretion. So
discussion.
PSC can ask this thing. Remember this thing. Generally, President has more power. But in case of discretion, Governor has more power. And second is right. Yes, sorry, second is wrong.
Mm.
Because state bill
Without
first has to go to
send.
has to go to governor, then from governor to president, not directly from the state to president. That's why
Then
governor is there. Otherwise, what is the use of governor? Otherwise, there is a bypassing of governor. Yes, because see, there is a state, and this is present in Delhi. So between who is there? Governor. So question is saying bypassing the governor. No, not possible. Because it is the violation of the constitution. So second is wrong, first is right. Last question, guys. Wait. Bhagya, read.
the judicial competence
Hmm.
the public service
Consider the following
UPSP.
provisions in the Constitution of India stated under separation of judiciary from executive in public services of the state.
Hmm.
There are two principles, DPSPs,
Third one is
judiciary
correct.
from executive IAS
Second one
officer.
is wrong.
Valuing and preserving of the rich heritage of our composite culture,
Hmm.
fundamental duties. Prohibition of
Fundamental duties, right,
employment of
right.
children below 14 years is fundamental. Third one correct.
Second one is
Second,
also correct.
first one also correct.
Wait, now separation of
Yes,
judiciary from the executive hands. Correct.
all three are right actually, guys.
Second and third is
Yeah.
correct.
Hmm. All three are right, basically. Guys, you know what? Guys, see, guys, preamble, fundamental right, DPSP, and fundamental duty, basically. From this, every year, UPSC asks question, guys. So, guys, make this clear, guys.
Hmm.
Very clear. From your whatever source you read, na? I mean, Lakshmikant, whatever. Preamble, fundamental right, DPSP, fundamental duty. Definitely read this topic very well, actually. Every year, one, from two or three questions UPSC asks this question. Now, guys, I will ask one question, general question at the last. Tell me, I mean, this is very conceptual, no factual. Tell me, there is one provision, guys, in Indian Constitution, basically. Only preamble has not that provision, and all three have that provision. Tell me what is that? Very easy concept, actually. I want you guys to use common sense. That's why I'm asking this question. I repeat, listen question, guys, carefully. Tell me one provision which is not related with preamble or not mentioned in the preamble at any cost or anywhere. But fundamental right, DPSP, and fundamental duty, all three talks about that provision. Tell me what is that? Because you know what, I was solving one all India mock test. So there was that question actually. People got confused actually.
Environment money.
Very good. How do you know, Purjal?
I
Tell.
analyze it.
Yes. Very good actually. If you have used your common sense, that is very good actually. I'm impressed. Because you know what? Because see, justice, equality, liberty, everything is there in all the three. And here also, preamble also. But environment, Article
Is
21, right to clean environment. DPSP, Article 48, fundamental duty, this is your duty to preserve environment. But preamble, because preamble is what? Philosophy of constitution. So it talks about sole objective, not environment. So yes. Priyal, have you understood?
hmm. But
Hmm.
dignity is also be there, right? In
What,
preamble,
Priyal?
if it is the according to fundamental rights, there is a dignity of an individual, right? But
Yes. That's why right to clean environment is there, na? That's why.
so how right of
See,
clean environment you are connecting with the dignity of an individual?
very
Acha,
good
you are
question. Now
connecting
listen,
with the
Priyal.
manual labors and all, right?
See, Priyal. Article
And
21, main title say right to life and
the right
personal
to life
liberty.
and
So,
this is
guys, Supreme Court has said that right to live means what? Not animal life, good life. Like I have right to sleep, I have right to walk, right to go, right to move, right to enjoy. All these come under the Article 21 only. Hmm. So to make our life dignified, meaningful, these articles are needed in the Article 21 basically. Yes, right to clean environment is also part of that. Basically, suppose that if any industry is getting pollution in your area, na, so you can go to the Supreme Court because right to clean environment is fundamental right. This is what
so
this
we
means
can say
basically.
in whole the
Hmm.
dignity part should be there. Should is not be
Yes,
there in the
yes.
provision in the preamble. Other than everything is
Hmm.
there.
Yes. So I guys, this much only. Priya, you can stop the video.